My name is Ifwad Farullah bin Naim. My matrix number is 05DAD22F1042.
My name is Roland Shoemaker Anali. My matrix number is 05 DAD 22F1038.
Hi, my name is Karvin Analanting. My matrix number is DAD 05 DAD 05 DAD 22F1030.
My name is Yusuf Azimin and my matrix number is 05DAD22F1059.
The causes of undercut during welding is improper welding positioning, poor weaving skills, the electrode size is too big, and the current is too high. Ways to improve on this is to fix the positioning, optimize the speed of welding, lastly to prepare the metal before we start the welding.
Welds crack. The causes of welds crack is first, use of hydrogen when welding ferrous metal. Second, high welding speed but low current. Third, no preheat before starting welding. Another than that, a high content of sulfur and carbon in the metal. How to prevent it is use quality materials and avoid high travel speed. Then choose the correct filler material.
And now we move to slang inclusion. The causes of slang inclusion is welding current density is too small, which is difficult to provide enough heat for molten metal, and it leads to the fact that slag might be impossible to float and the weld surface, and the welding speed is too fast. The weld edge is not completely clean, or worker do not remove layer of slag before welding. After that, welding angle and travel rate of welding rod are not suitable. We move to how to prevent it is adjust the welding speed. Don't let occur the situation of mixture between slag and the weld pull and slag flow forward in the melting zone.
Okay, today I want to present about weld sputter. The causes of weld sputter is welding too quickly without allowing cooling, welding in windy conditions, welding electrode tip angle, and bad arc length. Make sure that the arc length, the distance between the metal and the electrode is set properly. How to prevent? We using a anti-sputter spray and using a chipping hammer and chisel. Okay, the conclusion for this presentation is welding defects can greatly affect weld performance. Longevity, especially about poor technique, and low skill. For example, the beginner in engineering industry.